Like you said, the cross-examination of Lorenzo Lombard continued this morning. Jacqueline Botha, Apollos' defense counsel, Fani Haramse, went through photos of Kelly's house, asking Lombard questions about an incident she mentioned where Kelly took a stone into the house and threw out a window. She then came out wielding a knife, telling Botha, "Ek steek jou sommer vrek met die mes," meaning, "I'll kill you with this knife." And Haramse went through various details, asking Lombard things like where was she standing when she saw this, where did Kelly get the knife, and so on. Basically, she tried to discredit her as a credible witness, saying that her earlier testimony that Kelly was abusive towards his client, Botha, was not true. He wanted Lombard to also explain why some details in her original statement does not correlate with her testimony in court. For instance, in court she said her children were with her when she visited Kelly's home on the Sunday morning before Jocelyn's disappearance. But in her statement there was no mention of her children being with her at the time. Judge Nathan Erasmus had to step in at that stage because Lombard seemed confused by the way that Haramse was questioning her. And he explained that she testified in 4 different occasions in court that the children were with her that morning, but is now saying they were only with her in the afternoon. At that stage, she became distraught and apologized to the judge and broke down in tears. So the judge then adjourned for about 15 minutes. And when he came back, he said the witness is receiving medical attention and that proceedings will be postponed until tomorrow. And that happened just after 2 o'clock this afternoon. He said if Lombard is still not well tomorrow, they will continue with the prosecution's contingency plan of bringing another witness onto the stand.